Jatend piny migosi William Ruto wacho ni dwaro nitie mondo mi pinje ma oko jiw tudruok ma gin godo e kindgi mondo mi gichiw sir ne chenro mag dongruok mopogore opogore. Kolose kinde limbe mare piny Spain, Ruto wacho ni dwaro nitie mar keto lokruok ne chike mag omenda kod pinje duto.
Today we have common ground by both the people living in the global north and global south on reform of the financial institution. It is no longer a matter of those of us from developing countries. The need to reform the international financial architecture. The international arena cannot solve this problem alone. There are things that must be done in domestic jurisdictions.
Bende olero ni pinje mag Afrika onego ket kare yore ma bende biro dino fuok mar omenda kokalo kuom chuogo chike makare.
There is a relationship between poverty and conflict. There is a relationship between health and development. And as a result, it's become increasingly clear to us that even in the context where global resources are going down, we must step up domestically mobilized resources to fill the gap, so that we have resources that is available at the domestic level.
Wadhi kaunti ma Kisumu kama wayudo ni sirikal mamalo kokalo kuom migepe